Hello friends! Welcome to my channel. A cup of washed lentils, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tomato, 1 onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. 3 cups of boiled water, teaspoon of salt, cumin, and red pepper. Cook for 10 minutes. Two tablespoons of tomato paste. Cook for 5 minutes. Tablespoon of butter. Teaspoon of dried mint. Pour the fried butter on the soup. Done. Ready. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bon appétit! See you in the next easy recipes.